That is Ethan and Olivia. Those are our parents. Yes, we are your grandchildren. We have missed you our whole lives. Pass the ball, Leo. Let's score some points today.
Pizza delivery for house number 42. Hot and fresh.
You are 30 minutes late. This is completely unbelievable.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. My wife is very sick today.
Not my problem. I am not paying for cold pizza.
Please. I really need this money for her hospital bill.
I can't believe they did that. That is so mean. He looks really sad, Leo.
10 long years. I miss you both so much.
They would be so incredibly proud of you, Ethan.
Oh, Mary. Mary, how will I pay for your medicine now? I have to keep trying. I can't give up.
Do you think we should help him? Like and subscribe to find out. Look, Mia. He dropped his phone. Someone is calling him. The screen says, wife. And look at the background picture. Mia. No way. That is Mom and Dad. How is that possible? Hello? Are you the delivery man's wife? He dropped this phone.
You are a very kind boy. We live near the main highway.
Give us your exact address. We will bring the phone right now.
It's 704 Maple Street, just off Route 66. Please be careful.
Mia, Dad said his parents were lost in an accident. Could it be? There is only one way to find out. Let's hit the road. Hold on tight, Leo. We have a giant family mystery to solve.
Hey kids, it's time for dinner. Oh? Leo? Mia? Where are you?
We are getting close to the highway. Keep your eyes peeled. Uh-oh. The police! We are in really big trouble now!
Hold it right there, kids. Where are your parents this evening?
Officer, please. We are trying to help a very sick old lady. Her husband dropped this. They need it for a hospital emergency. A hospital emergency?
Well, that changes things. You kids are very brave. I will escort you. Follow my cruiser, but keep it at minimum speed.
Wow! We have a real police escort. This is exactly like a movie. This is it. 704 Maple Street. Look, there is his rusty car.
Stay safe, kids. Tell the old folks the police department says hello.
Oh no, I lost my phone. Everything is going wrong today.
Excuse me, sir. I think you dropped this at our neighbor's house.
My phone. You found it? Oh, bless your kind little hearts.
Thank you so much. My wife was so worried. You are angels.
Sir, can we please come inside? I really need to see her.
Of course, come in. She is resting in the bedroom right now.
My heart is beating so fast. I feel like I know this place.
Henry? Did you find it? Who are these sweet children? Oh my goodness! You look exactly like... You look exactly like my little boy, Ethan, when he was 7.
That is Ethan and Olivia. Those are our parents.
Ethan? You are our little Ethan's children? This is impossible.
Yes, we are your grandchildren. We have missed you our whole lives. This is a miracle. But Grandma, you are sick. We need a doctor.
No.
The hospital can wait a little longer. I must see my son first.
She is right. We need to see Ethan and Olivia right now.
This is a miracle. But Grandma, you are sick. We need a doctor. Leave it to me. I am calling a yellow taxi cab ASAP.
I don't know, Ethan. We need to call the police immediately.
Take it easy, Mary. Watch your step getting in.
To 42 Elm Street, please. And step on it, mister.
I still cannot believe this is real. My heart is so full.
Leo! Mia! Oh my goodness, are you guys okay?
You two are in big trouble. Never run away like that.
Where were you? We were so worried sick about you.
We are totally fine, Mom. But we brought a really big surprise. Mom! Dad! Jason, close your eyes right now. Trust us.
A surprise? Now is absolutely not the time for jokes, kids.
Just do it, Ethan. Close them for a second.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes.
No. It can't be. Mom? Dad? Is it really you? After 10 years?
Oh, my sweet, sweet boy. We finally found you.
Now, let's finally get you to that hospital, Mary.
The doctor said I will be perfectly fine. Thank you, family.
Hot dogs are ready, everyone. Grab a plate.
am so sorry for yesterday. I baked you an apple pie.
Thank you. We forgive you. Please.
You kids were so brave. Family is the greatest adventure of all.
Mission accomplished, Mia. We solved the ultimate mystery.
Buddy, drop it! Oh my gosh, he stole the whole thing!
Hey! Come back here with my lunch, you rascal!
Did you cry? Because my dad totally cried like a baby. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic family adventures.